The PrimeCall web phone allows the user to utilize their computer as a soft phone to make and receive calls, as if they were using a physical desk phone. The PrimeCall web phone has all the features of your physical desk phone or mobile app, including make and receive calls to your extension, access to your contacts, access to your new and saved voicemails, chat and or text with others, change your voicemail greeting, change your answering rules, or manage many different conversations at the same time. This guide will walk you through logging into the PrimeCall web phone and a tour of the options that the web phone offers. There are 3 ways to access the PrimeCall web phone using your web browser from the applications in the PrimeCall portal, or the progressive web application to access the PrimeCall web phone. Using your web browser, navigate to. Enter your PrimeCall username, which is your extension at your domain and your password. Click Login to access the web phone. If you cannot remember your username or password, you can click the links to recover them. Another way to access the web phone is through your PrimeCall portal. Log in to your PrimeCall portal and click the Apps drop-down menu on the upper right side of the screen. Select the web phone option, and the web phone will open in a new tab. The third way to access the PrimeCall web phone is by using the progressive web app using Google Chrome. Log in to the web phone from the PrimeCall portal or directly from the website. Click on the settings options on the left side of the screen. Select Install PW to download the web phone as a Chrome application to run in the background. Once the installation has completed, it will open the progressive web app, pin the application to your Start menu taskbar or dock, or basically anywhere where you can find it quickly. Once the download is complete, simply click the icon for the web phone and log in with your credentials. The application will run without needing to have a tab open or to be logged in to the PrimeCall portal. Please note the progressive web app is only available to download through Google Chrome. The PrimeCall web phone has many areas which are accessed by the navigation pane. The Contacts area displays all contacts within your organization. You can also create new personal contacts. Call history displays call activity for your extension in the voicemail section. You can manage your voicemails here. The chat and SMS section allows you to chat with other PrimeCall users. If your organization has SMS enabled, you can use this area to text outside numbers. If there are any park zones that have been created in your organization, they will be listed here. You can park or park calls using this area. In the answering rules section, you can manage all of your active and inactive answering rules. These rules are based on time frames which were set by your organization or created in the PrimeCall portal. The greetings section allows you to add, edit, or delete and manage all of your voicemail greetings. If you have multiple voicemail greetings, you can decide which one will be active from this section. The settings section manages settings for your webcam, including microphone, audio output, ringtone output, etc. There are several ways to initiate a phone call. One of them is through your contacts. Scroll through your contacts and click the desired entry and click the call button. You can also initiate a call through your call history. Scroll through the entries and click the desired entry. And select the call option. Another way to place a call will be manual entry. Click the dial pad option, and the dial pad will appear. Type in the number you would like to call or copy and paste it from their website. Select the green call icon to place the call. While the call is in process, A card is placed on the grid, and you have all the usual options open to you. You can move the call. You can place the caller on hold. To open a dial pad, select the dial pad option if you would like to initiate a conference call. Select Add Call. This will place the first caller on hold, while you either choose from the contacts or dial a new number. Once the second caller's on the phone, select Merge Calls to merge all 3 calls for a conference. If you would like to transfer the call to another person, select Transfer. You can choose to transfer the call to one of your contacts, or dial a new number. Enter the number and select the green call icon. Choose to complete the transfer via blind transfer or assisted transfer. This first example will be a blind to transfer. Your call has now been transferred. To perform an assisted transfer, select the Transfer button. Choose from one of your internal contacts or dial a new number. Select the green phone icon to proceed. Select Assisted Transfer, and the call will be placed to the next person you would like to transfer the call to. Once you have spoken with the other party, and they have agreed to the phone call, select Complete Transfer to complete the transfer to the other caller. The transfer is now complete and you are now off the phone call. If you would like to place a call in one of your call parks, select Part Call. Select which call park you would like to add the park to call to. On the left side of your screen, you can access the Call Park section to retrieve the call from Call Park. Simply select the phone icon and answer the phone. If you would like to initiate a call recording, you can select Start Recording to end the call. Select the red phone icon. The Chat and SMS section displays all chat conversations and other conversations between you and others. All PrimeCall web phone users can chat with other web phone and PrimeCall mobile users within their organization. Please note, if you want to text outside people using SMS, the SMS feature must be added to your organization's account to start a new conversation. Select New Conversation at the top of the page. You can choose to send a message to an internal user or to text an outside number. If the feature has been enabled upon your domain to send an SMS text message, enter the number you would like to send a message to. Select the number and type your message. Select Enter to send the message. You can always find old chat and SMS messages within your chat and SMS navigation pane. If your user license is a call center agent, then you will have Call Center on your navigation pane. This area displays information for your call center on 2 tabs. My Queues displays all queues of which you are an agent. My Stats displays common statistics for you across all queues. The Mind Queues section displays all queues of which you are an agent. This example shows that this user is part of the customer service and technical support queues. The green and red dots indicate whether you are logged in or out of the queues. Hovering over a queue will allow you to log in or to log out. The icon and numbers displays how many callers are waiting in the queue, and how many agents are currently logged in. The My Stats tab displays an assortment of useful statistics for all of your queues. To log out of both queues at the same time, select the online option. You can select Go Offline, Go Single Call Mode, which will automatically sign you out after in the next call, and Shift, which will log you out of all of your queues. Or you can log out using one of the options displaying why you are logging out, such as lunch break, meeting, or other.